it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to this platform, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GameX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GameX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame. Okay, so these have been on a very strong uptrend. I've been keeping an eye on this particular trade because it got to the resistance zone here and it pulled back a bit, went back up, and of course, I've been following this trend for a while, hoping that it's going to break up below it, but it was unable to break out successfully. It finally broke out above the resistance zone and it kept on buying. You know, when there is a breakout from a particular trend, it will continue with the trend like that. Okay, so this is more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be GainX 999. This is GainX 999. It had been on downtrend for a while, but after getting to this support zone, it has not been able to break out below this support region. Tried it out several times, but right now it's trying to go back into a buy trend. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity. I dropped this signal also in the Telegram platform, and it's in profit at the moment if you are taking the signal. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be 10x 1200. Okay, let's check it out together. This is Paynex 1200, and of course this actually went on downtrend at first, but after getting to this region it started an uptrend and it has been buying since then. Okay, and of course I believe I also dropped this signal also in the Telegram platform. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out right from there. This is Paynex 999. This had been on downtrend for a while, and after I got into the support zone, it started an uptrend, and of course, it's still on uptrend at the moment. So this is going to be buying more. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, last asset is going to be FX volume 80, guys. This is FX volume 80, and of course this had been on downtrend for a while. After getting to this support zone, it has not been able to break out from there, bought for a while and had another pullback. I mean, came down to see if it would break out below the support zone. Still no stress, and of course it's trying to go back on uptrend right now. At first I expected to get to this region easily. If it breaks out from here, then it's going to buy more. Then definitely it should be getting to this particular point, and after that then it should get to this region. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity also than a selling opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my trading videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.